matters. Our stories matter. Where we come from matters. Our many homes matter. Your family home, your neighborhood and community home, and now your Monmouth College home. They all matter. Our relationships matter. Your friends matter. Your family matters. Congratulations again to all of you, noble Scots. Now go out into the world and create your own stories because it matters.
You all deserve to be here. We deserve to be here together. We deserve the growth. We deserve the knowledge. We deserve the wisdom. As B.B. King once said, the best thing about learning is that no one can take it away from you. My friends, remember that, cherish that, and take that along with you throughout your journey. Thank you, and happy graduation, class of 2017.